Right then, this slab's getting flattened, yeah? First time I've done it, but I think I know what to do. Slab is so wonky. This end's high, this corner's low, that corner's low, that corner's high. So let's have a look at it from down here. So you can see the two high points you've got this corner's high, you've got that corner is high, and that corner is low, and this corner is also low. But they were a bargain, so I'm not going to complain at all. Been told they are sycamore, not 100% sure on that. And then angle wise, I don't know if you can see this line. I'm going to cut the table at an angle, not square, because I don't like square stuff. So yeah, that's what I've got flattened, and I'm going to show you the flattening bit I got from Amazon. I've got that's what I was going to do. Got a cutter off Amazon. It was I think about 15 quid. It's supposed to be a surfacing cutter for a CNC bed to get it registered flat with the machine. I'm going to show you a close up of this cutter. So here it is. I might put a link. Will it focus on it or not? Here we go. I might put a link on the video description so people can see what it is. But I have only got 41 subscribers, so I bet only one of you will be interested. But if I remember, I'll do it. I've got a pretty bad memory anyway. So it is about 50. Oh, hang on. I'm not even looking in the camera. I'm just looking at what I'm doing. It is about 50 mil. 51.5 mil in diameter, so it gives you quite a good cut width wise, which means you'll have less passes to do. where I suddenly realised that the parallel rails I put on the bench were too high. So like I said, just winging it, making sure that I was just enjoying it really. Because being on isolation and all that, it's pretty boring, isn't it? So I don't want to be too good at everything, do you know what I mean? I'm going to go back tomorrow morning, so it's lunchtime now, I'm going to go home and eat. So I'm going to go back tomorrow morning and rip those rails down, probably another 15 mil, put them down, and then I should be able to get the whole top flat. I will flatten it down to a point where it is all completely flat at one single level, and then where the edges appear to taper out to a really thin point, hopefully it won't be a point, hopefully I'll have a bit of meat on the edge. When I flatten the other side, I'll make sure that I'll do something with those edges to make a feature out of it, so maybe put a nice long taper underneath the table, just give it a bit of style really. I'll have to look at the underside as well to find out where I'm putting the legs. I don't really know what I'm doing for legs yet. I'm not going for anything normal because what's the point for now? It's just getting the table flat. So yeah, back to it tomorrow. Bye for now.